Yup, it's official. We're taking over. Remix.
Welcome to Cooking na Show. I'm Michael.
I'm Kurt.
I'm Pat. And today we're going to cook Pancit Canton.
Not a simple pancit canton, but pancit canton. Why? Sobrang dami.
Game. Okay, so first step is to
Sunog-sunog.
sunog the
The pan.
Yeah, just make sunog the
just
the
like sunog
water.
the water.
And
Like
With the charcoal.
just like what happened to him. Sunog din.
Yeah, you try to create the pancit.
Okay, first step.
Okay.
Mini, mini, mo.
Oh.
Mo! Oh.
Oh.
It's second
Try.
Second.
Ayaw. Third try. Fourth. Boom. Oh.
And then man.
Then man.
And done. And done. Done. And done. Created the man.
Right.
Second step.
Wear your sanitary
Napkins. No, not napkins. Sanitary equipment. Yeah.
Clothes.
Like that, just like this one,
The chef's
the chef's hat.
Next.
This shield
Next.
For
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 that one.
And next is
the gay gloves.
Gay gloves.
the gloves.
Okay.
The gloves.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now we're ready to cook.
Cook na mo. Cook na mo.
Okay.
The
Fish.
Fucking lame.
And the next step is the balatan to step. Bakit balatan to step? It's you're gonna make balatan this.
Yes.
Balatan this.
And you need to canton this.
Yes, the canton.
You need to canton this hard like
Yes,
this.
like
Like this.
Wait, the sounds.
Canton.
Canton.
Na-canton na namin.
Okay, first we need to drop one piece of pancit canton
yes.
to the boiling water.
Yeah.
Water.
Yes, sir.
It should be boiling. While
Yes.
boiling.
Yes.
Because it's not a girling. It should be boiling. Boil.
Okay, so
Oh!
the next ingredient is Magnum. Because every Filipino's worth it.
Cheese whiz. Kasi choco na gatas. Tissue paper. It ain't gonna clean itself.
Power-based rechargeable batteries. For it. Have power.
Beets. Para cool. Fiber and fruit. Kasi yung
Earthquake! Earthquake! Earthquake!
fruit na fruit kasi kailangan ng fiber.
Face palm.
Eggs. Because Junta needs one.
Toyo.
Because the color explains itself.
No.
Toyo. 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 Toyo.
It's not happy birthday to me. It's happy birthday to you.
Next is this object. What's the purpose of this object?
Ano ba? Sino ba?
Chess pieces. Black and white.
Yin yang.
Receipt. Proof of purchase. Para legit.
Then the next step, wait for magic to happen.
After cooking na mo, you need to put these pills.
Yes.
The red, black, white, brown, green. 3 red, 2 black,
No,
365 white, 2 million brown, and
Isa brown.
56 green.
These
This
are-
red,
sleeping pills.
Black slimming pills.
No,
The-
Kurt pills. De joke.
The
White.
painkillers.
Painkillers.
Your
Brown.
chop
The ecstasy.
And the green.
for the repeat.
Okay.
Yeah.
Heroin. So,
If you eat this, it is so dangerous. If you eat this, you're going to be Hulk.
You're gonna.
If you eat black, you'll turn into... De joke.
You're gonna.
Tapos,
Strain na natin. Strain natin. Let's get serious.
ay gago. Ush. Ay,
Wait.
Uy, dali.
Wait,
Oy, abang. Dali ko ba? Dali ko ba? Huwag ka kabahan. Tingnan nyo, huwag kayo kabahan.
Relax lang. Uy,
Ba't baba?
seryoso yun.
Uy, puta yung kamay ko.
Okay. Lawrence, wala nagdag. Push.
What the fuck? Gagala ka bet ako.
Yes! Yeah!
Fuck you. Of all our sweat, blood, urine,
Of all Kurt's sweat,
this is our beloved finished product.
Mostly the sweat.
Wow. After hours, years, days of pain, the last step.
thank you.
Let's go out.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good night.
Go. Nagkaroon kami ng chess tournament. At dahil natalo sila Paterno at si Michael, kakainin nila ganito karaming pancit canton. Dahil po, pabili yan! Matalo ha! Take note, 15 na kanton yan kanina. Walang lasa. Then wala siyang lasa. Kaya, ew! Oy! Cut. Kaya mo yan! Para sa aog.
Bago ako mamatay.
Yun, nakanagdan ko.
Therefore, malaki man dyan.
Di naman
iiwan.
Okay na, ubos, Michael.
Ha?
Ubos.
Pick lang ganyan. Ayaw na. Sino talo? Isang ganon.